When you search for the best Citizen EcoDrive watches, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to find out which ones truly fit your style and needs, you've got to look deeper.
Product number 1, Weekender Bryson Chronograph. The men's EcoDrive Weekender Bryson Chronograph watch. Priced at $208, this watch caught my attention with its sporty design and practicality. If you want a reliable watch that combines luxury with functionality, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this watch stands out. It features a Japanese quartz movement, which means you're getting precise timekeeping that won't let you down. Plus, it has a chronograph that can measure up to 60 minutes and a date function, which is great if you often forget what day it is. With a water resistance of 330 feet, you don't have to worry about it getting damaged during a swim. Here's why this matters for you. The luminous hands make it easy to tell the time in low light, and the durable stainless steel ensures it can handle everyday wear. Now, some people complained about the weight, saying it feels a bit heavy on the wrist. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a more substantial watch that feels sturdy, this isn't really a deal breaker. It actually feels more premium because of that. This is perfect for you if you need a watch that can transition from casual outings to more formal events. Skip this one if you prefer something lightweight and minimalist. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if the weight of the Bryson bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design.
Product number 2, Weekender Garrison Field Watch. We have the men's EcoDrive Weekender Garrison Field Watch. This one is priced at $147 and features a sleek black dial that immediately grabs your attention. If you're looking for a versatile daily wear watch that doesn't scream for attention, this is worth a serious look. The EcoDrive technology means it's powered by any light source, so you'll never need to replace a battery. This watch has a water resistance of up to 100 meters, which is great for everyday wear, including workouts or a day at the beach. Plus, with luminous hands and markers, you can easily read the time in dark conditions. Here's why this matters for you. The Arabic markers are clear and easy to read, making it practical for quick glances. Now, a few users mentioned that the bracelet can feel a bit stiff at first, but honestly, it'll likely break in after a few wears, and for some, that might actually provide a more secure fit. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that you can wear from the office to a night out. Skip this if you're looking for something with a more complex design. For its price, you're getting a solid and stylish timepiece. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit dressier.
Product number 3, Classic EcoDrive Leather Strap Watch. The men's Classic EcoDrive Leather Strap Watch, priced at $179.95. The elegant design with a leather strap caught my eye instantly, making it a great addition to any wardrobe. If you're after a classy timepiece that can go from work to play, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a classic 3-hand design with a date function, allowing you to keep track of time and dates effortlessly. EcoDrive technology ensures you won't have to worry about battery changes, which is fantastic for long-term use. A water resistance of 30 meters means you can wash your hands without any concerns. Here's why this matters for you. The leather strap adds a touch of sophistication, and the minimalistic design ensures it'll match with almost anything. Some users have noted that the leather strap can feel a bit stiff initially, but look, it's a natural characteristic of leather, and it usually softens with wear, which makes it more comfortable over time. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that's suitable for both formal and casual settings. Skip this if you prefer a more sporty style. For the price, it delivers excellent quality and timeless appeal. Now, if the leather strap isn't your vibe, check out what's next as we shift gears. Product number 4, EcoDrive Sport Casual Odin Watch. The men's EcoDrive Sport Casual Odin Watch, which retails for $296.25. This one really stands out with its bold design and textured blue display. If you need a watch that makes a statement while remaining practical, this is worth a serious look. This watch is powered by light thanks to Citizen's EcoDrive technology, so you'll never have to worry about batteries. The 100-meter water resistance means it can handle swimming and snorkeling without a hitch. Plus, the faceted bezel and H-link bracelet give it a sporty yet sophisticated look. Here's why this matters. The high legibility from the bright white indices makes it easy to read at a glance, even in low light. Now, some people mention that the watch might feel a bit bulky on small wrists, but I'll be real with you. If you prefer a watch that stands out and makes a bold impression, this might just be perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you want something sporty yet stylish for everyday wear. Skip this if you prefer a more understated look. Given the quality, it's worth the investment. All right, that brings us to our last option, which is a classic that balances style and function.
Product number 5, Classic Addison Eco Drive Watch. We have the men's Classic Addison Eco Drive Watch, priced at $190. This watch features a stunning blue dial and sapphire crystal that gives it a unique touch. If you appreciate timeless elegance with modern technology, this is worth a serious look. The Eco Drive feature means it's powered by light and you'll never need a battery, which is incredibly convenient. With a water resistance of 100 meters, it's suitable for a variety of activities. The sapphire crystal is scratch resistant, ensuring it maintains its polished look over time. Here's why this matters for you. The design is versatile enough to wear it at work or for a night out, making it a great all-rounder. Now, some users mention that the watch can be a bit pricey compared to other Citizen models, but here's the thing. The sapphire crystal and elegant design truly set it apart, offering great value for what you pay. This is perfect for you if you want a sophisticated and durable watch for all occasions. Skip this if you're on a tight budget. It's a fantastic investment considering its style and features.
So, there you have it, the top 5 Citizen Eco Drive watches. Whether you're looking for something sporty, classic, or elegant, there's a perfect option for you. Each of these watches brings its own unique features to the table, ensuring you'll find one that fits both your style and needs.